How to pay TD credit card bill on app. The first things first is you'll have to log into your account. If you're using the mobile application, to make sure that the ones that you're trying to download or the ones that you're currently downloading is up to date to the latest version. And from there, once you have successfully logged in, all you have to do is to go to your dashboard. Now, from your dashboard, you'll see four options. That's going to be send money, transfer, pay bill, and deposit. Now, you'll have to choose on pay bill. Now, on the next page, you'll be routed to the pay field. All you have to do is to select your credit card. Now, enter the amount and select which account that you wanted to use, and then choose how often you want to pay, and then you'll have to schedule the date. And then last thing is choose a frequency, and then after that you'll just have to choose a specific date when that specific payment will end. So that's how easy and quick you can pay your bill on the TD Bank application.